Mustang has arrived. All right, we got some good news and some bad news. So, we won, but we won 3 lots, and we can only afford one of them. Unfortunately, I'm gonna be having to pay the relist fee for the other 2, so it's gonna cost us about $8 grand after everything, which I was not trying to pay that much.
Brother, this guy stinks!
He's here. The damage looks about what I thought. I didn't see any frame damage down here. Oh yeah, baby, that's that coyote. I'm gonna set you guys up. We're gonna go ahead and check the oil and everything. See if this motor's good. If this motor's good, then I'll be happy. That's all we need. All right, let's check this oil. Please have oil on. Please have oil. Oh, it has oil. It has oil, bro. The reason I'm so excited it has oil is that usually, like if there's front end damage, the risk is that usually if there's front end damage, the risk is that the oil pan broke. So I'm seeing there's actually oil in it. That means the oil pan's not broke and that it's holding oil. We clean the oil off the tip. Gonna go ahead and push this sucker back in. All right, please have good oil level. It's freaking perfect. All right, so we got the battery from the Corvette. So instead of trying to jump this thing, I think they already tried to jump the thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the battery from the Corvette in it. So we gotta take that battery off, but I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on the stand out there. I was getting under the car to take a look at some stuff at the, see if the oil pan broke or anything. And look what we got in here. Texas speed headers, let's go. This thing was making some power, probably, I'd say with some headers, and it might be catless. So that's what I'm gonna check too. I'm gonna get my OBD2 port and we're gonna check this. Just gotta grab the trusty old OBD2 somewhere around here. Where did I put this thing? It was in the BMW. All right, so in here we have a crank, no start. That's the OBD2 port. What is this? Fixed? Is that a tune? Gotta see these codes. Sorry, bro. Ugh. Actually didn't want this thing to be fiddled with at all, so I'm kind of not liking this stuff that's going on. All right, we're reading. Evaporation system leak. Okay, I got it. So our second code is an evaporation system leak as well. Third one, evaporation system leak detected. Catalyx, so it has no cats. Last one. Come on, show me the last one. 5-1 catalytic. Guys, no bad news on the motor. It's looking like it might just be a problem with the starter. I'm thinking maybe starter. The battery's showing 12.5 volts, 13 volts. So we should be cranking. So I think next is the starter relay, check some fuses. Yeah. So I checked fuses for the last 30 minutes. Checked relays, power control modules, starter relays, starter fuses. Everything under the panel, and I couldn't find anything wrong, no bad fuses. So to dig deeper into this thing, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it into the shop. Thanks, Abby. Alright, so what we're going to do right now to make sure that It's the starter because I don't want to spend any money if I don't have to. So I don't want to go buy the starter, change the starter, and it's not the starter. So I'm going to make sure the engine's not locked right now, because if we know the engine's locked, we're just going to get right into the part out. So I'm going to start taking some of this stuff off, and hopefully we can figure out whether it's locked up or not. All right, I guess the first thing I can do is I can try and jump the starter and see if it turns over, just to see if it turns over. So I'm gonna try and do that. I don't know if I even can, but we'll see. Okay, so I don't know if this is just because I don't know how to do this, but I jumped the starter, and my dad told me you could only do that on like old stuff now, but on the BMW it was working. So I don't know, but it wasn't turning over, so it's kind of bad news. But I'm gonna put the car on and see if it works. Did you guys just hear that, bro? Did you hear that, bro? Nah, bro, no. We're taking this down. We're going for a drive right now. I'm gonna take the hood off and we're gonna go for a quick little drive. Alright, it's driving smooth so far. It's pretty quiet in here, quieter than the Corvette. By the way, I don't have a plate or anything, so hopefully I don't get pulled over. I'm just gonna make a quick grip. It's got a tint. Oh yeah, baby. She's a ripper. These numbers here, everything is perfect. Show you guys. We have good oil pressure. It's not showing exactly how much oil pressure, but it says normal. The temperatures, all the temperatures look good. It shifted through all the gears, so transmission and motor feel solid. And yeah, I'm just gonna go over everything, make sure everything is good, and get a parts list together. All right, so we're gonna get into what parts we need for the rest of the rebuild here. So to get this thing back on the road, if I wanted to drive it, to get it registered, I would need to get the stock exhaust, which can be anywhere from $100 to $300. I've seen them everywhere on Facebook Marketplace, and I've talked to a couple people so far. But yeah, so I would have to pay that, and I would also have to pay the registration fee and the inspection fee. So inspection fee is about 40 bucks, and then the registration is a big chunk of money. It's around $1,000. So I think it's below $1,000. It's just basically paying the tax on the vehicle when I bought it from somebody else. So that's going to be it for our registration fees to get it registered and to drive it and whatever. But to get it fully where we want it back, we need a hood, obviously. Ours was mangled and torn to pieces. That front bumper, it's salvageable, but I would rather not I'd rather not mess with it, because just a clean bumper is really important. So I would probably end up buying a bumper. And then the driver fender. The driver fender is not salvageable, and there's no way I could get that thing back to being useful. So I'm definitely gonna need that. And then a wing. The wing's missing on the back, so just like a small wicker bill or something like that for the back. The rear bumper has a little dent in it. It looks like it got rear-ended. Honestly, if it was my car, I wouldn't fix it personally, but you know, whatever floats the boat for the person who's buying it. but I'm not going to be rebuilding the bumper. So after all of that, those are all the parts we need to get this thing back. So that'll be it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.